Jai Guru. Thought of today, 22nd January. One thing I want to tell you that every thought is important daily. I am doing this series just to explain my young children the thoughts of Paramahansa Yogananda. These are not calendar wise or day wise. Simply Guruji has given the thoughts and these are mentioned in a diary. हिंदी में ये दैनंदिनी है, आध्यात्मिक दैनंदिनी, स्पिरिचुअल डायरी. You can purchase it from YSS SRF योगदास सत्संग शाखा nearby and read daily. You can study or you can watch my video on the interpretation. Naturally, I am not so enlightened and so learned to interpret Paramahansa Yogananda, our beloved Guru, but it is an humble effort just to explain to the young children according to my Verstehen, according to my interpretative understanding. I may be wrong, but I try to be right. Because I know my children, I have a sufficient number of followers who are almost young ones from 9th class to 40 to 45 years age, with some exceptions of 60 years of age also, but these are approximately 60,000 and lakhs of followers on Facebook. So I think that it is my sacred duty to tell everyone about Paramahansa Yogananda and his teachings. The teaching of today is, it is in my diary, endeavor to make yourself what you should be and what you want to be. As you keep your mind on God and attune yourself to His will, you will progress more and more surely in your path. लॉ ऑफ सक्सेस है ये, हिंदी में है, आत्मनिरीक्षण है ये. आपको जैसा होना चाहिए एवं आप जैसा होना चाहते हैं, स्वयं को वैसा बनाने के लिए कठिन प्रयास करें. जैसे ही आप अपने मन को ईश्वर पर एकाग्र करेंगे, उनकी इच्छा के साथ स्वयं को समस्वर करेंगे, आप निश्चित रूप से अपने पथ पर अधिकाधिक प्रगति करेंगे. श्री श्री परमहंस योगानंद. Now my interpretation. Whenever we come to the world, then the society plays a game of functions, roles, duties, responsibilities, accountabilities, etc., etc. As a child comes to the world and as he gets some days old, then parents start saying, नहीं बेटा ऐसा नहीं करते. They know that he is not understanding. Although personally I think that a child, an infant, understands everything, but his tongue and his expression output device, the facial muscles, are not so well built up. I am not a student of biology, but this I know from psychology, which is my subject, one of my subjects. So I know that a child understands well. I am telling you a simple story that my granddaughter was 2 months old. As I left the room She started crying. Definitely, she could not speak anything at the age of 2 months. But I performed an experiment and I used to say, बेटा मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ, रोना नहीं, मैं अभी आ रहा हूँ, और उसको इशारे से मैं बताता था, अभी आ रहा हूँ, रोना नहीं. And she did not cry. She is a very intelligent girl. I think girls are generally very intelligent. They have a sixth sense which we, the male, do not have. Generally, we do not have. We are buddhu in this sense. So, a child is given commands, commandments, restrictions, etc. and etc. A role is given by the society. A role is played by us. We get a role, then we accept the role. Just think, I am telling you the mechanism to explain Guruji's preaching. Role is given by the society. We take the role. It is up to me that whether I take the role or not. Generally, I have to take. So, if I take the role, that is called role taking. First process is role giving. Second process is role taking. Third process is role playing. There may be a flaw at any stage, no problem. Role playing. Then starts role evaluation by the society. Society evaluates the playing of role by us. Then society tells this is good or this is bad. Now the adjectives start. Up to this point, there was a game of verbs. Now the adjective starts. This is bad, this is good. If society explains or evaluates our deeds and creeds, then adverbs start. You are doing in a better way. You are doing in an improper way. Do properly, adverb. So, noun of role is converted into the adjective and adverbs. The verbs are associated with adverbs, nouns are associated with adjectives. थोड़ा सा ग्रामर बता दिया. In fact, I am too much impressed by Nadal, who has always seen music behind everything, and I believe in Bloomer, symbolic interactionism, John Herbert Mead, symbolic interactionism, Charles Cooley, socialization theories, looking glass self theory, etc. When the role is analyzed, then norms are created. Norms are created. मानक तय हो जाते हैं. ऐसा करना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. The child understands through the body language or a symbolic interactionism that बेटा ऐसा नहीं करते. First thing, this is negative. दूसरी बात, बेटा अच्छे बच्चे ऐसे करते हैं. You are good boy and all the good boys do like this. It is our expression that we tell the boy, good boy, ganda bachcha. This is our expression. Suppose if I say ganda bachcha, good boy, then the child shall reverse the interpretation. Try. Spoil a child. This is our expression. मेरा बेटा सबसे अच्छा. My child, the best child in the world. This is our expression. My child is the best child in the world. He will think that best child is something wrong. I should not be a best child. This is called symbolic interactionism. Symbolism is different. That is not a topic here. Symbolic interactionism. Now starts socialization from the very beginning, from toilet training to sexual education. The socialization process begins. Whenever you go outside and you look into the mirror, you look at your image, then do you know that your eyes are not your eyes? Your eyes are the eyes of society. You think how I look, how do I look? लोग देखकर मुझे कैसा सोचेंगे, कितना हैंडसम पर्सन है, कितनी सुंदर लड़की है, इत्यादि. And then you once again comb your hair and you once again tap here and there. If collar is uneven, then you make it proper. Tie knot is not proper, then you make it proper, because what others say, Mr. Bean is going. They will laugh at you. No, I am not a person to be laughed at. I am a smart person. From the very beginning, when a child starts recognizing the people, recognizing the society, the relatives, the primary group, mother, father, etc., the secondary groups, chacha, tau, etc., the tertiary groups, etc., and then the institutions, the KG, nursery, playgroup, classes, teacher, madam, sir, neighbors, playgroups, etc. Then the norms, a cloud of norms surrounds the child, and he is socialized and socialized and socialized. So there are role conflict. Someone says, do like that. Others says, no, do like that. Role conflict starts. How should I play my role? So many children are entangled and they lose their patience. They may become lunatic if there is not a proper balance between the roles given to him. The difference may be the difference of society, education, environment, ecology, and the Verstehen given. Verstehen is the interpretative understanding, German word given by Max Weber. Now come to our beloved Guruji's teaching. What he says. Once again I have to look at the diary. आपको जैसा होना चाहिए और आप जैसा होना चाहते हैं, स्वयं को वैसा बनाने के लिए कठिन प्रयास करें. Here lies the catch. आपको जैसा होना चाहिए, normative approach. आप जैसा होना चाहते हैं, willful approach. First know the norms of society, then try to be like that. Merton's theory. Cultural means for cultural goals, acultural means for cultural goals, acultural means for acultural goals, etc. There are 5 pairs. It is up to you what path you choose. आपको जैसा होना चाहिए और आप जैसा होना चाहते हैं, इसके लिए कठिन प्रयास करें. Now just think, there should be a synchronization between the ought to be and what is. आपको होना चाहिए और आप जो होना चाहते हैं. First is idealistic approach and second is called nomothetic approach. This is nomothetic. Reality, आप जो होना चाहते हैं. Your father says that bete don't smoke, but you don't want to leave smoking, quit smoking. So there is not a synchronization between the two. Goals are cultural, but means are not cultural. Means your goal is that you want to leave smoking, but you don't. You want to do yoga, you want to do exercise. I want to have a walk in the night, but I never walk. Lack of motivation, lack of determination, so many false alibis, etc. बहाने बनाता हूँ, आज तो घुटने में दर्द हो रहा है, आज मौसम बड़ा गड़बड़ है, आज तो बारिश हो रही है, कुत्ते दौड़ा रहे हैं, कोई काट न ले, पड़ा रहूँगा कई महीनों तक, एट्सेट्रा एट्सेट्रा. If I am determined, then the law of attraction is, अगर किसी चीज़ को शिद्दत से चाहो तो सारी कायनात तुम्हें उससे मिलाने में लग जाती है. Just watch the movie The Secret. Shah Rukh Khan has borrowed the dialogue from there in his movie. शिद्दत से चाहो. What you want to be and what you should be, there should be a complete synchronization, cog to cog synchronization. दांते से दांता मिला हुआ यूं. Cog to cog synchronization between the two, your goals and your deeds. For that, hard work is required, and for hard work, hard determination, strict determination is required. Some days ago, Guruji said that in the diary, Guruji said that you should create interest in your work. If you are not interested in your work, then you can't do. So do, my dear child. This is the sanskar I want to develop. Remember your vagabond friends, nikamme dost, nithalle dost, who have no work to do. They are simply roaming here and there. They are simply deflecting you from the path, divine path, Guruji's path, the ideal path. They deflect you. Their life is nothing. BA किया, BBI और मर गए. In one sentence, their life can be defined. अकबर इलाहाबादी ने कहा है. He is not प्रयागराजी. He is अकबर इलाहाबादी. He has said, BA किया, BBI और मर गए. एक आम आदमी ऐसा ही होता है. बेटे, you should be a खास आदमी. You should be some VIP, VVIP, very, very important person. Let people know that you exist. And Rene Descartes says, I suspect, so I think, and I think, so I exist. मैं शक करता हूँ इसलिए मैं सोचता हूँ, संदेह करता हूँ इसलिए मैं सोचता हूँ. संदेह है, क्वेरी नहीं है. संदेह करता हूँ इसलिए मैं सोचता हूँ, और मैं सोचता हूँ इसलिए मैं हूँ. I think, so I exist. Then बेटे, think. I am giving you thought. Thinking is your job. I am giving you the role. And if you think, then what the grammar says, English grammar says, who are you? Bete, you are the thinker. You are the thinker. I am making you a thinker. You are a born thinker because you think. And you think, so you exist in the world. Not that existence, BA kiya, BBI mar gaye. That existence which is supreme existence. Do not try to those tantric anushtans, etc., Kundalini Jagran, etc., nothing. Guruji will lead you to the Param Brahma. माम एकम शरणम ब्रज, उनकी शरण में जाइए. सर्व धर्मान परित्यज्य. Leave all these branded yogas or so many yogas. They give you nothing. They take everything. So many Babas have their hands in your pockets. Come out of that. जय गुरु।